Hi, I am Dr. Shyam Sarkar. Welcome to my class. Today we will solve this question. The interplanar distance in angstrom for a 100 plane in a cubic crystal structure with the lattice parameter of 4 angstrom is 1, 2, 4 or 8. 4 options are given and this question was asked in CSIR-NET 2013 June. So I think this is the simplest question ever asked in CSIR-NET from crystallography. Okay, you will understand why this is simplest while I'll show the solve of this question. Okay, so once you see this type of question, you will think the value of d. In the question they asked the value of d, that is interplanar distance. So interplanar distance for which system? Here they have asked for a cubic system. So we know that for a simple cubic system or for any cubic system, d equal to a by root over of h square plus k square plus l square, where h, k, l indicates the Miller indices of a given plane. Here the plane is given 1, 0, 0, that is we will use the value of h, k, l as 1, 0, 0. Okay, so let us see the solve of this question. As you know, the d is equal to a by root over of h square plus k square plus l square. A is given, that is 4 angstrom, and hkl as 100. So as simple as it is, you just put the value of a 4 angstrom and value of hkl, that is root over of 1 square plus 0 square plus 0 square. So you will get automatically the d value as 4 angstrom. So see, the option C is given 4 angstrom. So here option C will be the correct answer, that is 4 angstrom. Thank you so much for watching this video and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed. If you have any doubt or any query regarding crystallography, or if you have any more question like this or maybe some other question, you can put in the comment box. I'll try to solve in my next video. Okay, thanks a lot.